way too many
There's so
models,
many.
and they're always like just constantly top. Like, wasn't it like a week ago? Grok 4 was like the end all be all of
Hmm.
Yeah.
all LLMs, and then what was that thing? Did you guys see the? It was, I guess there's some sort of programming competition where they get like
Hmm.
the top like programmers in the world, and they put them up against like OpenAI's like custom model,
They
Yeah.
and it
probably
ended up
lose really
coming in.
badly.
They
He
came in second place. One guy beat it.
Oh,
yeah.
Yeah,
wow.
one guy actually beat it. Yeah, he said he was up for like 18 hours straight just coding, trying to like get ahead of the model.
Yeah.
But that's
Oh my
insane
God.
though.
So
Like if you think about that, like how, because they're getting. So, I mean, I noticed that now using them. Like from when we started, like when 3.5 ChatGPT 3.5 came out, like that was it was cool when it came out. It was super like it was new, it was unique. But just in the past, I feel like this year, like the last 6, 7 months, they've gotten so much better. Like
Oh my
they've
God.
went from
Yeah.
being like useful tools to actually like co-developers or even lead developers, if you're working by yourself and stuff. Like they've gotten so good now. The code they generate is really good. It's all just how you formulate your prompts now, I think, to get what you want. And like, yeah, they've gotten incredible though. It's gotten really
Yeah.
ridiculous.
yeah, I
I
think it
I
was like
Go ahead, Chris.
no, go ahead. I was just gonna say like I think they said that last it was either last year when they did the competition, the AI model ranked like 10,000th or something. Like
Mm-hmm.
you know what I mean? It was like not even on the
So to go from
closest
that to
spectrum. So it's
second
just
in a
Yeah,
year,
and
in a
now it's
year.
second in a year. Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah. So
which
next
means,
year it's gonna be nowhere. Like no human will have any
well, it's
competition with
crazy.
that.
Dude, it's crazy when you prompt and watch it though. It's like, I mean, it can generate code so fast.
Yeah.
Like
It's just,
it's
I think the hardest thing is adding the correct context. I think it's easy to just tag a ton of context, but really giving it sort of like guardrails and understanding of uh, what it should be doing and what it should not be doing, I think is one
well,
of
I
the
think I
hardest
was saying that
things.
to I was saying that to you, I think the other day was like, it's the difference of just prompting it or saying like make a component that does this. Because
Yeah.
otherwise it'll inject everything in your page if you're using Next.js, right? It injects all the code right in the page without any sort of refactoring or any sort of component
Yeah.
to sort of abstract from that. But if you prompt it correctly, you'll get exactly pretty much what you want. It's kind of impressive.
Yeah.
But
I
they
would,
still get stuck though. I had an issue this week where the AI was getting stuck, but it was an upload issue for the function, so
yeah.
that was annoying.
I actually was gonna just mention, like I was telling Chris earlier, so sort of weird. So my like with if you guys have used Cursor, basically you have a limit of how much you can selectively choose a model, right? You can do auto pretty much all day, every day, but if you want to choose a particular model, then you hit these rate limits pretty quickly now too. Like it happened in like a few days for me, and so I've been
Yeah, if you're using
waiting.
it a lot,
Yeah, if you're
and certain
using it a
models I think
lot.
get used more than others too. Like,
Yeah. Yeah, it's
The
based
thinking
on
models
token
take a lot
usage and
more.
stuff. Yeah. So I was sort of waiting for that that usage limit to reset because of each month it resets. And it did the other day. And so I was like, cool. And I started coding again with Claude because I really like Claude 4. And I noticed that Claude 4 sort of wasn't as good as I remember it being. I don't know if it's just the other models have gotten a little better or they sort of dumbed it down, or I don't know what it was. Maybe it was just like what I was asking it to do. But regardless, I ran through like 90% of my usage limit in like a couple hours.